What's up, everybody? It's Kyle, once again, the world's leading expert on patellar tendon ruptures. Today, I'm going to show you something that you can use anywhere between that 2 and 4 month mark to really start working on some single-legged strength. So I have my 2x4 here, and I kind of figured this out way back in the day after my first rupture when we used to do the movement screen really in depth on all our clients, and then I would play around with this stuff. So what you're going to notice after you have a major knee surgery or you rupture your patellar tendon is the top of your knee, the quad tendon, is kind of going to get short and tight. Now what that means when you're doing split squats, rear foot elevated split squats, when the knee that you injured is behind you, it's going to feel really weird in that area and tight, okay? A couple things you want to do with that. You want to roll that part out, you want to stretch your quad, but then when you progress to the single-legged exercises, you're going to use a 2x4, and this activates the core, and it really, oddly enough, takes the stress off that back knee, the injured knee, when it's behind you. So what this is going to look like is, there's my 2x4. I'll go this way for you. So you're going to challenge the core just by being on here, but you come down, you can see that, how much you challenge me. I come down, I would come up, and you could use something wider than this, but if I'm doing it on this side, nice and controlled. You might need something longer than this. This is what I have in the gym right now. You're down. Now again, both knees of mine have been ruptured, completely reconstructed. That feels fine with the trailing knee. Okay, feels fine with the trailing knee. I've got a lot of bone spurs within the knee and all that from all the surgery, but that feels fine. That's something you can implement. Again, you might want to go a little wider than that, but if you do that, just hit one side, down and up. Implement that anywhere between a 2 and 4 week mark. Excuse me, 2 and 4 month mark, not 2 and 4 week, 2 and 4 month mark. If you want to book, the link is below. Happy to help you out however I can. Keep the questions coming. Remember, if you need answers and you need clarity on your patellar tendon rupture, I got you.